Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoX Nova, your destination for the latest cars, luxury SUVs, and automotive innovations. If you love premium vehicles, bold designs, and powerful performance, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Today, we're taking a close look at the stunning 2027 Cadillac Escalade, an SUV that continues to redefine American luxury with an even bolder presence, cutting-edge technology, and an unmistakable road presence. At first glance, the 2027 Cadillac Escalade commands attention with its aggressive front fascia, redesigned black mesh grille, sleek vertical LED lighting, and sculpted hood. The glossy black finish combined with the lowered stance, wide body styling, and premium multi-spoke alloy wheels gives this SUV an incredibly sporty yet sophisticated appearance. Every angle of the Escalade reflects confidence, making it one of the most recognizable luxury SUVs on the road today. Moving to the side profile, the long body, sharp character lines, and aerodynamic styling create a perfect balance between elegance and strength. The custom side skirts and sporty body kit enhance its premium appeal, while the large wheels fill the arches beautifully, giving the Escalade an exotic SUV look without sacrificing its luxury DNA. The rear design is equally impressive. The signature vertical LED taillights remain a Cadillac trademark, while the redesigned rear diffuser and quad exhaust outlets add a performance-inspired finish. Even when parked, the Escalade looks ready to dominate the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a first-class lounge than an SUV. Premium leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, carbon fiber accents, and meticulous craftsmanship surround every passenger. The massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, delivering crystal-clear graphics for the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and navigation. The clean dashboard layout keeps everything modern while maintaining Cadillac's signature luxury feel. Technology is one of the strongest highlights of the 2027 Escalade. Expect the latest infotainment software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium AKG sound system, multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging, advanced voice controls, and over-the-air software updates. Cadillac's latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and enhanced hands-free driving technology, make long-distance travel more comfortable and safer than ever. Under the hood, the 2027 Cadillac Escalade is expected to continue offering a powerful V8 engine while also introducing improved hybrid or electrified powertrain options for better efficiency without compromising performance. Smooth acceleration, impressive towing capability, refined suspension tuning, and excellent highway comfort ensure the Escalade remains one of the best full-size luxury SUVs available. Ride quality has always been one of the Escalade's biggest strengths, and this new model continues the tradition with advanced adaptive air suspension and magnetic ride control, allowing the SUV to glide over rough roads while maintaining outstanding stability during high-speed cruising. Inside, passenger comfort reaches another level with spacious three-row seating, generous legroom, heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof options, and a large cargo area that makes family trips and long vacations effortless. Whether you're driving across the city or taking a cross-country journey, the Escalade delivers a truly premium experience for everyone on board. Overall, the 2027 Cadillac Escalade combines luxury, technology, performance, and commanding design into one extraordinary package. It continues to raise the standard for full-size luxury SUVs while staying true to Cadillac's legacy of innovation and prestige. If you're looking for an SUV that offers executive-level comfort with bold styling and modern technology, the new Escalade deserves a place at the top of your list. Thanks for watching AutoX Nova. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content featuring the newest luxury cars, SUVs, electric vehicles, and concept models from around the world. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2027 Cadillac Escalade and whether it would be your dream luxury SUV. Until next time, drive safe, stay passionate about cars, and we'll see you in the next video here on AutoX Nova.